Hi guys, we're playing Meowdoku and this is level 30. Alright, we need to find 9 cats. It's going well so far, alright. Let's try maybe there.
Nice!
Yes. That was a bold guess. There.
Right.
Okay. We need 5 more cats to finish. Alright, let's try
Perfect.
there. Okay. Let's try maybe there.
Excellent!
Alright, that is good. Okay, 3 more cats to go. Let's try there. No, maybe there. Yeah, okay. 2 more cats to finish. So the blue one is maybe there. Alright. And the green one should definitely be here. Okay, thank you for watching.